G'day, Mac Daddy, Camper Trailing. Today I'm at a caravan and camping show to check out the unique Mars SpaceX Air. As you can see, it's got a fully functional kitchen. It's got a massive amount of preparation space, a lot more than you'd see on many of the forward fold or rear fold campers. The kitchen has a control panel to the left hand side. You've got the sink, you've got the hot plates, and couple this with an annex, you've got a great undercover area for your cooking needs. This camper has an electric actuated power lids, electric auto air inflate for the main tent, and there's 4 heavy duty electric automatic self-stabilising legs. As you can see, there's a huge dining lounge area, and each end of the camper has a double bed. Need another sleeping area? No problems. Drop the table, reorganise the cushions, and you've got another double bed. You've got an infotainment centre and CD player. You've got plenty of storage. This camper is 5.8 metres in length, 2.2 metres in width, and has a storage transport height of 1.55 metres. Towable weight of 180 kilograms, tear of 1950 kilograms, an ATM of 2600 kilograms. Specifications, inclusions and current prices can be found on the Mars Campers website, which I'll list below.